Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be discussing the 4 types of online marketing and the part that each one plays in getting traffic to your blog or website. I may use some slightly technical sounding language, so if at any time you have a question, please don't hesitate to post it in the comments below. I want this tutorial to be as beginner friendly as possible, so if it's not beginner friendly, let me know.
So, the first type of online marketing is called SEO or search engine optimization. This is just a fancy word for organic. There are various types of SEO, including content marketing, inbound marketing, and social media marketing. This type of online marketing includes optimizing the metadata in your post in such a way that the search engines pick up keywords and phrases that correspond to what you believe your audience is searching for. Metadata is a somewhat technical term, but it just refers to the way that the code within your website is organized. You don't necessarily need to know how to code a website in order to implement good SEO. There are non technical ways to do this depending on how your blog or website is set up. I don't want to spend too much time on the technicalities of implementing SEO, but if you have questions, please feel free to post them in the comments below. Good SEO can be accomplished with content marketing, and as the name suggests, content marketing means publishing a blog or a long form editorial to attract your desired audience or reader of your blog or website. Using a first level domain name in combination with a strategically researched and placed SEO terms provide long term credibility for your brand. The drawback to SEO is that it takes a really long time to work well. It can take anywhere from 6 months to a year to see measurable traffic results from SEO alone. Inbound marketing is simply the strategy of adding a call to action button to your blog post, which allows you to collect a reader's email address in exchange for something. My favorite example of a company that practices what they preach in terms of inbound marketing is HubSpot. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Take this quiz to find out. Social media marketing is simply crafting just the right post to go along with your blog. Every post should have a purpose. Posting without a strategy in place will just yield poor results. So, if you're not seeing any measurable results from your social media marketing strategy, focus on making sure that each post has both an eye catching and creative looking photo, a well written headline, and a measurable purpose. Posting blindly is kind of like posting a billboard on the side of the road. You don't really know whether you're going to get any business because of the billboard. With all forms of online marketing, it's really easy to measure clicks to see what's working and what isn't working. The next type of online marketing are paid ads. There are two main types of paid ads: SEM, which is search engine marketing, and social media advertising. The best way to understand SEM is that it's the paid form of SEO. Search engine marketing is a strategy that's typically used and scheduled through the Google Ad Network, and it's also commonly referred to as PPC or pay per click advertising. In order to get measurable results with this type of paid ad, you'll do best working with someone who specializes in crafting strong copy and strong search term research. To accomplish this yourself, you can use a free tool such as the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension. The extension is a great way to gain some perspective on how much volume a particular search word or term gets. To download this free extension, visit keywordseverywhere.com. The next type of paid ad is social media advertising. This is different from social media marketing in that it's the paid form, and it's done through each social network itself. For example, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, Twitter ads, you get the idea. These are all forms of social media advertising. It's important to pay close attention to the details of your ads because each different network has different rules. This is also where audience targeting is of the utmost importance. The audience targeting strategy works particularly well when you have a very targeted niche and you orchestrate your ads to reach your target audience. The third type of online marketing is affiliate marketing. This term refers to making a commission on the sale of a product or service. For example, if you sign up as an affiliate advertiser, you'll create an account and get a dashboard that offers you a unique link that tracks the customer's purchase back to your referral. You would simply post a review of a product or a service that you endorse on your blog. Anytime one of your visitors clicks on that link and ultimately purchases the product or service, you'll receive a commission. This is what it means when people say that you don't need a product or service to make money with online marketing. The fourth and final type of digital marketing is email marketing. Building an opt-in strategy and a nurturing sequence for your list is what makes this digital strategy the most profitable of all of them. Email marketing works really well when you have a large email list. The drawback is that you've got to invest some real time and effort into building your email list. If those words sound a little strange to you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on the link in the lower right-hand side of your screen.
If you would like to dive deeper on any of the strategies discussed in today's video, I have some preferred tools that I use for different purposes, whether it's setting up your blog or website for the first time, implementing an automated email nurturing sequence, or even just making a page for the purposes of digital marketing and list building. I would love it if you would comment below and let me know any questions that you have. If this is the first time you came across my channel, thanks for watching. My name is Kate Murray. I worked in corporate and agency marketing for 14 years, and I'm living proof that the dream of a corner office has been replaced with the need for work-life balance and flexibility, especially for parents. I grew really tired of working 10, 12, and 14-hour days to help these big companies with unlimited budgets thrive with their online marketing, while small business owners struggled with understanding how to navigate modern digital. My goal is to help you, the small business owner, the blogger, the solo entrepreneur, learn how to leverage new media so you can grow your dream of working from home on a flexible schedule. It's my goal for 2019 to post a marketing tutorial at least once a week on this channel. I want it to be a place where women business owners and bloggers aren't afraid to ask questions, share their dreams, and connect with others who share the same goals. So if you found this tutorial helpful, click subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in 2019.